In today's video, we will discuss Nothing. Well, not this Nothing, this Nothing. Nothing is a consumer electronics manufacturing brand based in London, England. It was founded by the co-founder of a smartphone maker OnePlus. Nothing announced in December that the global sales of all its products, including Phone 1, Nothing Air 1, and Nothing Air Stick, has exceeded 1 million units. The firm launched Nothing Phone 1 in more than 40 countries in July 2022. This mid-range device adopts a Snapdragon 778G+, a mid-range processor released by Qualcomm Snapdragon in May 2021. The plus in it means it is a customized version developed specially for Nothing. Nothing Phone 1 comes with 6.5 inches OLED display with 120Hz fixed refresh rate and packed with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 front and back with aluminum frame. Nothing Phone 1 comes with dual camera setup with gleph interface. This unique light pattern consists of 900 plus LEDs and indicates calling, notifications, charging status, and much more. After the success of Phone 1, Nothing is ready to launch its Phone 2 on July 11. Nothing has did official partnerships with Qualcomm. So, Phone 2 will bring Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen+1 processors customized for Nothing. Nothing will launch its Phone 2 in USA markets from the day one of its launch. Nothing Phone 2 factory CAD design and specifications has been started rendering in the form of leaks. Phone 2 is expected to launch with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen+1 processor. It's the same processor which is used in Samsung's Galaxy S22 Ultra or Fold 4. Nothing adopts almost one generation old Qualcomm Snapdragon processors to control the manufacturing cost of a phone and give a very tough competition in upper mid-range phones from tech giants like Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, Oppo and OnePlus. Nothing is expected to increase the number of LEDs in its gleph light also. Phone 2 is expected with key specifications like 6.7 inches Full HD plus OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, RAW HDR supported with 4K at 60 frames per second video recording, Nothing OS 2.0 with Android 30. Phone 2 will offer 3 years operating systems updates and 4 years of security patches updates. According to factory CAD leaks, Phone 2 looks similar to a Phone 1 with the minor design changes. Phone 2 will have a curvaceous metallic frame similar to iPhone 6 back in 2014. Phone 2 will be packed with 2.5D curved screen on its front and back both sides. Phone 2 will have a minimal bezels as compared to Phone 1. But Nothing CEO Carl Pei tweeted and said that these renders are fake. Carl Pei is expected to create a buzz in the market before the launch of its product, as he was doing in OnePlus also. Nothing launched its product teasers which shows that Phone 2 has a similarity to Phone 1. Phone 2 case also has been leaked which shows that the similarity to a Phone 1. Then there could be major changes or innovations in design. Let me know your opinion in the comment sections. Remember, Carl Pei is a big fan of a marketing king Elon Musk. Like Musk did use strategy for his Tesla Cybertruck marketing. Please do consider subscribing and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.